Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in an Epson WorkForce WF-2830. This is nice and simple, it can be done from the printer itself using the machine and the control panel found on the front. Now, you need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already here, press the home button to be taken here. Now, we're going to use the right hand arrow to get ourselves along to settings. Press OK to go into settings. We take ourselves along 1 to maintenance. Press OK to go into maintenance. Then we're going to use the right hand arrow to get ourselves to ink cartridge replacement, which is option 4 of 5. Now press OK. Press the start button here. And you'll hear a noise from the printer as it gets the cartridges to the correct position within the machine. So to get to the ink cartridges, we need to go below the scanner bed here, where there's a couple of recesses, one on each side. Just pop our fingers in there and lift. And the little blue arm there will lock into place, stop the scanner bed from falling down. And as you can see, the printer has moved the ink cartridges over here, out from under this bit of plastic, so we can get to the back where the clips are. Now, as shown on the screen, my black cartridge is running low. So I'm going to reach in, I'm going to press at the back here, just to release it. Slide that one out and grab our replacement cartridge. Now, with your replacement cartridge, you need to make sure any protective packaging has been removed. This is one of ours. I've taken it out of a box, taken the polythene bag from the outside, and now all I have to do is remove this little pull tab from the front, which breaks the vacuum within the cartridge. And it's very important for the cartridge to operate correctly. Don't panic if your cartridge doesn't have one of those. Not all manufacturers put that on there. If you don't have it, you don't need to worry about it. Now, a few people will ask whether the film on the bottom needs to be pierced or pulled off before it goes in. You don't need to worry about that. The machine does it automatically as it goes into the machine. So, pop it back in, like the other one came out. And as you hopefully heard there, little click as it goes into place. Some cartridges don't have the little clip bit at the back. Again, if you don't have it, you don't need it. Now repeat the process for any other cartridges that need replacing. If you lift it up, just pull that forwards, slide down easily. We take ourselves back to the screen. So we just press that start button when my printer's advising that the black cartridge needs changing. If we just press the start button, your printer will now start checking the ink cartridges, make sure it's happy. If, like me, you're using non-genuine ink cartridges, it might warn you of that. We just press OK to proceed. And confirm again. And we're done. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.